In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden custom fields, and we'll do this in under 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to head over to Bitwarden's website. It's widely regarded as one of the best password managers available for business, enterprise, and personal use. Navigating to their site is your gateway to a more secure digital life. Once you've reached the Bitwarden homepage, look for the Get Started Free button. Clicking on this will guide you through the process of setting up your Bitwarden account if you haven't done so already. Of course, if you already have an account, you can skip this step and head over to your vault directly. But if you're a newcomer, rest assured that setting up an account is straightforward and user-friendly. After setting up your account or logging into your existing one, you'll find yourself in the Bitwarden vault. This is essentially the control center of your digital security, where you can manage all your passwords and sensitive information. To start utilizing custom fields, find and click on the New button. This allows you to create a new entry where you can store your details securely. Next, you'll want to click Login, as this option allows you to store login credentials, including your username, password, and the URL associated with this login. Here's where the magic happens. Incorporating custom fields. Custom fields are incredibly useful if you have additional bits of information you want to associate with a login, such as security questions or additional authentication codes. To add these, look for the option called Add Field. Clicking on Add Field enables you to create a variety of fields, whether text, hidden, or Boolean, that can store numerous types of information. This personalized approach makes managing different accounts or credentials much easier and organized, as you dictate exactly what information needs to be stored. Your custom fields will now appear alongside your login details, providing a detailed repository of all necessary information needed for account access. By organizing this way, everything from Wi-Fi passwords to software license keys can be archived securely with ease. And that's all there is to it. You've walked through setting up, logging into the vault, and creating a customized entry that suits your specific needs. Remember, exploring these custom fields further can add an influential layer of protection and organization to your digital lifestyle. It's all about making sure that your information is safe, accessible, and perfectly customized to fit your unique requirements. So, there you have it. We've just scratched the surface of what Bitwarden's custom fields can achieve. Thanks for following along, and remember to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. By investing just a few minutes of your time, you've taken a big step towards securing your online world. Stay safe, and see you next time.